Here's how to check your Windows version on a PC or laptop. Knowing this is helpful to see if your computer meets the requirements for apps or games. So first, find the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and click on it. Then look for Settings and go ahead and open it. Now, if you don't see it, search for Settings at the top and click on Settings to open it. Now, in the Settings window, find System, and then from the left-hand side, go to the About section that is below the optional features. And under About, you will find the Windows specifications. If you have trouble finding About, you can use a search box, scroll down to see your Windows edition like Windows 11 Home or 10 and their versions, the install date, the build number, and experience. You can copy this information if needed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.